printer. Printers would be a little bit complex. A little complex. Maybe think a little bit more elementary. What's in that printer?
Paper.
All right, but what drives the paper?
Gears.
Gears. There you go. That's what I was looking for.
Axle.
Gears.
Axle.
Did someone say an axle? All right, perfect. Now we're going to talk about that a little bit. Axle, not like the name. What are some other simple machines? Let's get someone else a chance.
Pulley.
A pulley. Who knows how to spell pulley?
P-U-L-L.
P-U-L-L.
Y. P-U-L-L.
E-Y.
E-Y. E-Y. Mr. B is not the world's best speller. Even though I'm a good teacher and I taught English once, I can't spell word B. What? Another simple machine. An engine. All right. An engine is a little bit bigger than the simple stuff, but let's write that down because that's kind of the next step. An engine. Let's see. We have a pulley. We have an axle. We have a gear.
A driving gear.
Driving gear. How about a seesaw? Is actually a lever. A lever.
A lever.
A lever or a lever. You pronounce it lever? I pronounce it lever. They're all different pronunciations. Yes.
L-E-V-E-R.
A windmill. All right. Now windmill's a little bit more complex. A windmill is going to be using a gear, an axle, and some pulleys. But I think we got it. We got a lever, we got gears, we got axles, we have pulleys. All right. Tell me something. I'm sure everyone here has done this. How many people have been to a zoo? Pretty much, or aquarium. Zoo or aquarium.
No.
All right. Give me an idea. What is the largest animal you've ever seen at a zoo? Back there. A giraffe?
Not the largest man.
Yeah, a giraffe is pretty big. Do you know what? Actually I have a cool trivia. What is the largest land mammal in the world? A giraffe. You know why? Because it's got that long neck and it's got to pump blood all the way up. Ooh!
The semen.
What's another simple machine? I just said a simple machine.
Pump.
What's your heart? A heart is a pump. That's another simple machine. A pump. All right. So, a giraffe, another one. Another large animal. That's right there. Yeah. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Isabella.
Isabella. Knock, knock. Isabella. Isabella really necessary on a bicycle? I'm the worst on bad jokes. Okay. Terrible jokes. But you said, what did you say? An elephant. Yes. An elephant is pretty big. I'm not going to write them down because I can't spell for beans. So we have a rhino. Excellent. It's very big. What else? What would you see?